Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the PecroN E1500LFP portable power station. This unit has been making waves for its impressive features and affordability, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The PecroN E1500LFP is designed to be a versatile power solution. Packing a robust 1500 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery and a powerful 2200 watt AC inverter. This makes it suitable for a variety of applications, from outdoor adventures to emergency backup power at home. Starting with the design, the E1500LFP sports a rugged black plastic case with orange rubber accents, giving it a durable and industrial look. It's compact and portable, weighing around 18 kilograms, with convenient handles for easy transportation. The front panel features a segmented LCD display that provides essential information like battery capacity and operational status. Now, let's talk about its standout features. The E1500LFP comes equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control the unit remotely via a mobile app. This is particularly useful for checking battery status, adjusting settings, and receiving alerts. In terms of performance, the E1500LFP delivers with its 2200 watt continuous AC output, capable of surging up to 4400 watts for short bursts. It offers multiple AC and DC outlets, including USB ports and a 15-watt wireless charger, catering to various charging needs simultaneously. Using the E1500LFP is straightforward, though it could benefit from more intuitive controls. The two-button interface manages all operations, with long and short presses activating different functions. The unit supports fast charging, capable of fully charging in about 2 hours, which is impressive for its size. Comparing it with competitors like the Jackery Explorer 1500 Pro, the E1500LFP offers more output power and potential battery capacity expansion at a lower price point. This makes it a compelling option in the mid-sized portable power station market. To wrap up, the PecroN E1500LFP is an excellent choice if you're looking for a reliable and affordable portable power station. With its solid performance, expandable battery capacity, and smart connectivity features, it stands out in its class. Whether you're camping, powering outdoor events, or preparing for emergencies, the E1500LFP delivers where it counts. That's all for today's review of the PecroN E1500LFP. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.